No Limits, the Ultimate Gym Motivation Anthem Collection. Welcome to the Ultimate No Limits Gym Motivation Experience. This is not just another workout video. This is where strength meets the soul. This is where the real transformation begins. Every set, every rep, every moment in this gym is built to push you to the limit and then beyond it. When you step into this world, there are no excuses. You're not here to take it easy. You're here to destroy doubt, to crush limits, and to build the best version of yourself. You see, greatness isn't found in comfort. It's found in the struggle. It's found in the sweat, the blood, and the relentless pursuit of something greater than yourself. Right now, as you're watching, you might be thinking, can I really do this? Will I be able to push through? Let me tell you something. Yes, you can. You have the power to overcome every obstacle that stands in your way. The only limit that exists is the one you put on yourself. Picture yourself on that bench, feeling the weight of the barbell above you. The world's chaos fades away. It's just you and the iron. You will not quit. You will rise. Every single time you feel like giving up, remember why you started. The pain you feel today is the strength you'll carry with you tomorrow. Every ounce of sweat, every bruise, every sore muscle is just a reminder that you're growing, you're evolving, and you're moving closer to your goals. In these moments, you'll realize that success doesn't come easy, but that's what makes it worth it. You are building more than muscle. You are building character. You're becoming someone who refuses to give up. Someone who knows that no matter what life throws at you, you can handle it. This is the anthem of every fighter, every warrior in the gym. This isn't just motivation, it's a call to arms. The gym is your battlefield. The weights are your weapon. And today, you fight for what you want. No limits, no excuses, just results. Now, if you're feeling that rush, if you're ready to take your fitness journey to the next level, then it's time to commit. Get in the gym and push yourself harder than ever before. Let the music fuel your soul and let the iron shape your body. But most importantly, let the fire inside you ignite the champion within. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join the No Limits family. We're here to motivate you, to push you, and to be there every step of the way as you chase your goals. And hey, don't forget to leave a comment below. Share your current fitness struggles or victories, and let's inspire each other. Remember, this is just the beginning. We're in this together, and together we'll break through every limit. Keep pushing, stay strong, and always remember, no limits. No one can stop you unless you let them. So let's go. Get in the gym and make this your best workout yet.